Val here, and I'm with Chris and Leah from Keeping It Real, and I'll put a link to their channel in the description box below. So please go visit them and click that subscribe button. Please.
Yes.
Yes. Because they want to be your friend. So anyway, we're having fun up at the cabin, or down at the cabin. But anyway, we're going to do a taste test.
We're up at the cabin.
They're up and we're down.
down at the cabin.
It's all around. It's so confusing. Anyway, we're going to do a taste test. Leah's going to tell you about the cookies.
They're coconut lime Kaleidos. Now Val thought it meant coconut lime. I thought it meant kind of like Kaleidos.
They're from Kroger's.
Yeah.
And they're like an Oreo cookie. So this one I'm thinking it's coconut lime Oreos.
We can go with that.
Not that we want to infringe on anyone's trademark.
So two cookies is 150 calories. But we're not counting calories this weekend because it's vacation.
It is.
Okay, so
Let's come
here we go. Steve, even though you don't like coconut or lime, well, you might like lime.
I like lime. I don't care for the coconut.
We got backup for Steve. They're called Oreos.
That's right. Or EOs.
Or EOs. All right, so it is a white cookie with a lime center. All
It's
right.
not like communion. You don't have to wait.
All right, what's your thoughts here?
Not bad.
You can't really taste the coconut or
No.
lime.
Can't taste the lime.
What are you tasting then?
Coconut, sort of. A little bit.
Oh, Steve and I didn't get the coconut. You got the lime. What do you think,
I
Val?
got a little of both. I can taste some coconut, but I can taste the lime. Taste a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of tastes like a pina colada, sort of. Or Coca Lime Oreo.
Mm-hmm. Coca lime Oreo.
They're okay.
All right.
Let me interpret what he just said.
Yeah.
Don't buy him again.
They're okay, but these are better.
Thumbs up. How many? 1 out of 5.
A 2.
A 2.
2
That's
for me.
it.
That's it.
3, probably.
3.
Yeah.
2.
2.
Yeah.
I get them all.
What do you give it?
Yay.
I think they're good. They're a little sweet, but I think they're good. So, if y'all haven't tried these, run over to your local Kroger's and get them and give them a try because I think they're pretty good. So, thank y'all
Don't take all of our word for it. Take Val.
Try them. Just try them, please. All right, let's try the Oreos. All right. Say bye, Steve.
Bye, Steve.
All right. Thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.